PDP, they blame APC again. No, you know, say for this country, the only thing we sabi pass to do for this country now, so they blame each other. We they like to always blame anything when they happen to another person. In fact, he reach one extent our president Buhari, in they blame the past governments. When we say no, they rule for almost 6 years. In they blame someone who don't rule 6 years ago for this country. PDP now they blame APC over this issue of insecurity. They talk say Buhari he no do anything, Buhari he no do what he's supposed to do. Talk say Buhari he no do better things for this country. Say why will something of this happen for this country? Maybe say our Buhari is his chief security officer where they call him for this country. Remember say something happened yesterday for Kaduna State for NDA. Place where we say na after where they call them after White House for Abuja, where they call it, is it White House or waiting? Now that place they most secured part for this country. Bandits, they call them bandits. They can't invade that place. Bandits invade them. Bandits still get mind. Bandits kill soldier for this country. Bandits in kill soldier. In can adopt one senior officer. Now this morning we can't hear say that same senior officer. They don't kill him. So bandits get mind. Enter soldier barrack. Enter NDA. They enter that place. Hey! More can't tell me where they safe. Where in this? No, which place they safe for this country? If bandits can get mind and face soldier, who can they safe again for this country? As everything can happen, PDP because talk say during our one time we say we did there, things no even worse like this. As usual, you know say they go blame each other. PDP talk say APC is a failure. Make people vote for them. Say during our own time is this issue of insecurity. You know worse like this. See them. If PDP do well, will there be problems now? And all of them they be the same thing. People with the APC, now in the PDP. People with the PDP, now in the APC. Then be two of them. They can't use Nigerians to they play game. They use us to play game. Person go decamp from PDP, in go APC. People go decamp from APC, in go PDP. So they can't turn Nigeria. They turn us to Ludo. And some more youth will see they fight on top. Say, I be PDP, I be APC, I be this, I be that for the same country. We say we did. As things happen for NDA yesterday, we say bandits they invade NDA office. NDA say they kill soldiers, they even kill senior officer. I can make all they can make this what they call them this Ogapalata for top. Can't talk say this issue of insecurity, this issue of thing will happen for NDA now madness. In talk say we go make sure say they capture those Boko Haram, those bandits, they capture them and they bring them to justice. Imagine if you capture them, what will still happen? You go still give them amnesty again. Now waiting with the talk now be this now. Those Boko Haram, when we say they repent, when we say you talk say they repent, why you not fit put justice on them? That same people, now they work for inside the military. When we say they give those outside hand. Imagine that kind of thing. We say that for Nigeria, bandits get mind to they invade NDA. PDP get mind. PDP they blame APC. I'm gonna say very soon APC self will still blame PDP say and them cause them. So they use us play game. The one way shopping pass. Now during Buhari wedding, where Buhari and Atiku they shake hand. And some people go see they fight on top them. Buhari and Atiku they shake they greet, which means say they play politics on us. They shake hand, they greet each other. Now different parties then do, but if they do social media, they go they talk against each other. This thing Buhari is not good, not good. And some more people go they die. Could they die on top of these people? Nigeria, this issue of insecurity now it has turned to something else now. Yes, it don't turn to something else now. For this country now, nowhere they safe. Nowhere they safe. The one we compare me pass now Zulum yesterday called the talk say though the fact say some bandits don't attack them over 50 times, but that doesn't mean say make them reject all those repentant Boko Haram. Imagine that kind of talk when say a whole leader they talk. People they kill your people, they won't kill you. They talk say make you forgive them, make they go. Now this country now every day. I know say our country no go be like no go be like Afghanistan. PDP dey blame APC. Very soon APC go blame PDP for this country. I know say if PDP do am well, things no go be like this because they rule for 16 years. They rule for over that. The PDP rule for 16 years for this country. No problem. My name now MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.